Hello students of Standard 9. Welcome to DAV Model Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Our today's topic is story writing based on clues. My dear students, we all are storytellers. We all live in a network of stories. There isn't a strong connection between people than storytelling. A story writing is work of fiction or imagination that is usually written in easily understandable grammatical structure with natural flow of speech. Story writing is meant to be read at single sitting and therefore it should be as direct and brief as possible. Let us see what are the four key elements of story writing. First is the beginning. Second is the character introduction. Third is the plot. And fourth is the climax or conclusion. Let us study all these points in detail. Let us first see the beginning. The beginning or the introduction of a story is of essential importance. This is the part where you can hook the reader and capture their attention. You must have come across some often used beginnings to the stories like once upon a time or a long time ago. However, you can get more creative and begin your story with intrigue. Now, second point is character introduction. Your story will depend heavily on how well you write your characters. To develop your characters, you can use dialogues as well, but you want to keep the dialogues limited in the shorter format. Also, do not include unnecessary secondary characters. Every character of the story must have a purpose. Third point is plot. Here is where the actual narration of the story will happen. The events that occur or the description of the situation will be written in the plot. A plot must always have a conflict, which is the focus of any story. Last point is the climax or conclusion, and this is where the story will come to its logical conclusion. If there is a plot twist, this is where you will include it. Always end your story in an interesting manner. Also, it is not necessary to give your story a definite ending. Now, my dear students, here are some points to keep in mind. First, make sure you give your story an exciting and appropriate title. A title is the first impression you made on the reader. Second, the story must flow fluently. If there is a series of events taking place, make sure the flow has some order. The reader must not confused. Make sure that the facts you include in your stories are accurate. You can take creative license while writing your story, but do not change universally accepted truths and facts. Last point is, do not use very flowery language or overuse complicated words. The best stories are written in uncomplicated words so as not to distract from the plot. Let us see the marking scheme of story writing. Story writing is coming for 10 marks, which includes 1 mark for title and moral, 4 marks for the content, and 5 marks on expression, which will include coherence or relevance of ideas 2.5 mark, accuracy, appropriate words, and correct spelling 2.5 mark. So, story writing is totally coming for 10 marks. Let us see one example of writing a story. Satish was standing on the balcony watching the last rays of the sun. Loud and angry voices in the street below distracted his attention. He ran down the stairs to see what has happened. So now we have to continue the story. The title is given The Last Day. Satish was standing on the balcony watching the last rays of the sun. Loud and angry voices in the street below distracted his attention. He ran down the stairs to see what had happened. His neighbors were again fighting over some parking issues. It was a common scene among the residents of that area. No sooner did he reach there when suddenly the land between the neighbors' buildings started tearing apart. Everyone got frightened. Satish ran back to his house to find his daughter and wife. They were both ready with their emergency baggage. The family got out of the house and started running as fast as they could, passing the falling trees and buildings. Water was penetrating out of the departing land, and everyone was panicking and running in all directions to save their lives. When suddenly Satish's daughter fell down. A tree fell over her feet. Satish was trying to help his crying daughter when they both saw a building falling over them. Satish hugged his daughter and shouted at the peak of his voice, which finally woke him up. With sighs of heavy breathing and excessive sweating, Satish went to his daughter's room, only to find that everything was fine. He kissed her forehead, went back to his room, and wondered, "This one really took the life out of me." Let us quickly recapitulate the four key elements of story writing. First is beginning. Second, character introduction. Third, plot. And finally, the climax or conclusion. Based on today's topic, here is a short assignment for you. Enjoy your day. Thank you.